Hey everybody, this is Elvis. It's been a long time since I've uploaded, but I'm here in my uncle's shop. We've been doing a lot of fishing, so I might compile some fishing clips from the last few times I went fishing. I've been doing a lot of work and some fishing and just bowling and just the stuff that you guys have seen already, and that's why I haven't really uploaded, because I don't want to upload just the same repetitive video that looks slightly different over and over again, because it's just not cool. It's just not very entertaining, really. Just seem the same video, a little bit different over and over again. But I guess I'll show you guys some cool fishing clips and stuff today. It'll be like a fishing vlog. I'm gonna fish today. Some cool fall fishing. It's actually a little bit of a nip in the air today, so the water's going to be, the water was already freezing, but it's going to be even more cold than usual. But I want to show you guys my cool, me and my uncle's cool guy, bait shop. It's not really a shop, but like bait thing, quote unquote. The wall of lures and bait. Isn't it amazing? Here, wait, let me back up a little farther. Isn't it amazing? By the way, guys, this video has been being shot on a camera I haven't used yet. It's my new JVC quad proof camera, waterproof, impact proof, dust proof, and freeze proof. So yeah, guys, that's been like what I've been all about lately, just fishing and being a cool guy, Jones. Oh shoot, I never took my saxophone out of here. Should probably do that. Oh, and I also bought a new fishing pole. I don't think I ever told you guys if I had a fishing. I never really had a fishing pole. I was just using some old one that wasn't that good. But I actually bought one and it only costed me about 50 bucks, so that's not very much, considering I'm not really spending money on anything other than groceries every now and then. My new fishing reel. I haven't caught anything yet on it, but hopefully I will today. Yeah, man. I might catch some rainbow trout today, because since it's cold, the bass and stuff and the fish, catfish, aren't going to be biting as much, but the rainbow trout, they'll actually bite all year round. I actually caught a pretty good sized rainbow trout, but sadly I didn't get very good video of that. I'll put it in the montage. I don't know when I'll do the montage, when it'll be in the video, but I'll show you, it'll be in the montage. So yeah, guys. But I'm going to try this stuff. I've never tried it before. It probably sucks. Trout magnet. A lot of these lures and shit, and different fancy baits that are just, most of them I haven't really tried, but now that I have money, I think it's cool that I can try these different things and fish as much as I can before I have to go back to the desert. Well, I don't have to go back, I'm choosing to go back, because I love the desert, and don't tell me any different. And I'll be excited to go hiking when I get to the desert, so that's cool stuff, man. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this fishing montage.